MDX Portal Reports, Mac, Module 8A. Welcome to the 8th in a series of educational videos for the Medicare Administrative Contractor, or MAC, Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, or CMS, data exchange portal known as the MDX Portal. I am Emily Norment with the Medicare Contractor Management Group and member of the MDX Portal team. Now that you've watched how to use the dashboard, the next step is to understand how to use the submitted data via reports. Once I am logged into the MDX portal, I will select the MDX Dashboard and Reports option, and the Shared Reports page is displayed. On this page, I have the option to go to the Dashboard, Summary Reports, or MSRE Reports. I will go ahead and select the Summary Reports. It's important to note that you will only have access to MSRE data for the jurisdictions to which you belong. The Summary Reports page is shown with reporting options for specified functional areas, MSRE year-to-date, National Summary, Summary Part A, Summary Part B, and Summary Part AB. Select the report you want to run. In this example, we will select the MSRE year-to-date report to see the year-to-date summary MSRE metrics in a report format for a specified jurisdiction. Please note the data shown here is not real. All summary reports will prompt you to select a time frame for the data. You can select a year or months within a year by double-clicking. The time frame is shown in the selected box on the right. Once you have chosen the time frame, select Run Document, which appears at the bottom of the page. MDX will generate the report and will display the business function, year and month details based on the prompts you selected for your jurisdiction. The default report results page displays the Claims Part A business function and its metrics. Along the top of the page, you will see a tab equivalent to each of the MSRE tabs. You can simply select a different tab to show those metrics. In this example, we can see MSRE data for Jurisdiction X for the year 2018. This page also allows you to modify the time frame and jurisdiction selections via the drop-down options under the MSRE tabs. Please note, if you are associated with more than one jurisdiction, you will have the option to change the jurisdiction. Now let's go back to the Shared Reports page and select MSRE Reports. The MSRE Reports page is shown with 25 reporting options equivalent to each of the tabs in the MSRE. In this example, we will select to run the Appeals Part A report. The MSRE reports will prompt you to select a time frame for the data. You can select a year or months within a year by double-clicking. The time frame is shown in the selected box on the right. Followed by the metric selection for the metric for which you want to run the report, the metric selections are also shown in the selected box on the right. At the bottom of the page, select Run Report, and the MSRE report is displayed with the time frame, jurisdiction, and metric details based on the prompts you selected. In this example, for Jurisdiction X for the year 2018, all metrics are displayed. This page also allows you to modify the time frame and jurisdiction selections via the drop-down options at the top of the page. Please note, if you are associated with more than one jurisdiction, you will have the option to change the jurisdiction. On behalf of the MDX Portal team, thanks for watching MDX Portal How to Access Reports, and I will see you next in Module 9, MDX Help Desk.